video and bam again. You can tell there's a whole lot of progress already. Just look how much bigger that it used. I think the last video I stopped here. Now look at this. It's got these stairs. This part that which it gets smaller and more ice block efficient. This part is very cool because it divides into two sections, which again gets mixed. It gets put back into regular, slides around, spins a little bit. This took a lot of my gold away. The simple spinning thing, and it comes out of the other end. It's very cool. I feel like I'm actually gonna I'm not gonna have any more ice blocks after this. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna have any ice blocks after this. I'm gonna color the ones black that I already made longer. So I can tell if it's long enough, or so I don't scale the thing again and absolutely mess up the entire symmetry, and I have to probably try and remake everything, which I do not want to do. This part is big. A lot I go with. I think I'm gonna have enough blocks to make the entire thing. Yeah, I definitely have it close. So cool. I didn't want 45 degrees, I only wanted 15. I think I might need to buy more ice blocks because already quite expensive. I even did the quest for the ice block thing a couple months ago when I was still playing Blabberty. What happened? What happened? 5 minutes already? Wait, no, I should have said only 5 minutes. Okay. Just make the edges out of toy blocks. Not flexing. If you thought I was, I'm not. Why not add a pattern to this thing? Plus, it makes it easier for me to know if it's next section and the next section. Because I have problems with that. Can't really see it clearly. I mean, it is pretty hard to see when it's the same color. Makes sense. That's the song playing through my mind. Why is there a huge flying box in the other plot near me? Probably nothing. That's what they say. When I don't think a flying box is normal. Yeah, totally isn't. And by the way, thanks for watching my last video about BAM. I didn't even know it would get that much views. Thank you for this, for all the views. I didn't know this would get popular. Also, quite a while since I made my last video. I think 10 days ago. Set on YouTube. Anyway, we need to finish. No! Oh my god. I almost fell. If I did, I would probably be on the other plot. Music in the background. Why is there a cat? There's a cat. Anyways, I'm gonna post this video later. And again, thank you for giving me all those views. That has made made me have the courage to keep doing this. Isn't even the right color. That's a pretty cool pattern. Oh, oh, look at that. Look at that hexagon or some random wood pattern. I'm gonna save then end the video. Or if I want to, I can make it longer. Okay, keeps making me lag? And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video that I make. Wait, let's actually see this thing working. Wait. Okay, we will now be anchoring the bricks in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Oh, the ping. Look at them. Oh, a brick went away. Slow. Yes. Yes. Look at the other end. Oh, it's a shower brick. Oh, look at that one. Oh. Let's wait for all the bricks. Okay, that's all. Now let's watch this thing. Open the valve. The valve is opened. The valve has been opened. Oh, it's going. Look at that. Oh. There's only about a minute left for this thing to... Oh. Oh yes. Going inside that tunnel. Let's see the divider. It divided. Let's see the whirlpool. Oh. Oh. Well, that's cool. Oh. Anyways, thanks for watching. Goodbye.